श्री दुर्गा चालीसा। नमो नमो अम्बे सुख करनी, नमो नमो अम्बे दुख हरनी। I bow to you, O Goddess Durga, the bestower of all happiness. I bow to you, O Goddess Amba, who ends all miseries. निरंकार है ज्योति तुम्हारी, तीहू लोग फैली उजियारी। Your radiance is unparalleled and you shed light on the three worlds. शशि ललाट मुख महाविशाला, नेत्र लाल भुकुटी विकराला। Your visage, your face resembles the moon, and you have a large mouth. Your eyes glow red, sparkling fear and fright. रूप मातु को अधिक सुहावे, दर्श करत जन अति सुख पावे। Mother Durga, your sight is extremely pleasing, and just seeing you fills devotees with extreme happiness. तुम संसार शक्ति लय कीना, पालन हेतु अनंदन दीना। All the powers of the world restore in thee, and it is you who provide food and money for the world's survival. अन्नपूर्णा हुई जगपाला, तुम्ही आदि सुंदरी बाला। Like the feeding mother Annapurna, you nurture the whole universe, and you are the one who appears like the timeless Bala Sundari, young girl of extreme beauty. परले काल सब नाशनहारी, तुम गौरी शिव शंकर प्यारी। At the time of dissolution, it is you, O Mother, divine goddess, who destroys everything. You are the beloved consort of Lord Shiva, Gauri, Parvati Mata. शिव योगी तुम्हारे गुण गावे, ब्रह्मा विष्णु तुम्हें नित ध्यावे। Lord Shiva and your yogis always chant your praise. Brahma, Vishnu and all other gods always meditate on you. रूप सरस्वती को तुम धारा, दे सुध बुद्धि ऋषि मुनि उबारा। You also appear in the form of goddess Mata Saraswati to grant wisdom to the sages and thus ensure their welfare. धरा रूप नरसिंह को अम्बा, प्रकट भई फाड़ कर खम्बा। O Mother Amba, it was you who appeared in the form of Narsimha Bhagwan, surrendering the pillar. रक्षा कर प्रहलाद बचायो, हिरण्यकश्यप को स्वर्ग पठायो। Thus you saved Prahlad, your bhakta, and Hiranyakashyap also went to heaven, as he was killed by your hands. लक्ष्मी रूप धरो जग माही, Shri Narayan ang samai. In the form of goddess Lakshmi, O Mother, you appear in this world and rest by the side of Shri Narayan on the why we call lotus feet, because you are always pressing Lord Narayan's feet. Shri Sindhu में करत विलासा, दया सिंधु दीजे मन आसा, dwelling on the sea of milk. O Goddess with Lord Vishnu, please fulfill my desire. हिंगलाज में तुम्ही विराजत, महिमा मित न जात बखानी। O Bhavani, the famous goddess of Hinglaja, is no one else but you yourself. Illimitable, luminous is your glory, defying description. We can't even describe your beauty. Matangi Aru Dhumavati Mata Bhuvaneshwari Bagla Sukhdata. You are yourself Matangi Mata and Dhumavati Mata. It is you who appeared as Bhuvaneshwari, the goddess of the land, and Baglamukhi Devi to bestow happiness to all. Shri Bhairav Tara Jagatarni Chiln Bhal Bhav Dukh Nivarani. It is you who redeem the world, appearing in the form of Shri Bhairavi, Tara Devi and Chinmastika Devi, and end its sorrow. Kehri Vahan Soh Bhavani, Langur Veer Chalat Agavani, reposing gracefully upon your vehicle of lion, Sheravali Mata, O Goddess Bhavani, you are welcomed by the brave Langur Lord Hanuman. कर में खप्पड़ खड़ग विराजे, जाको देख काल डर भाजे। When you appear in the form of goddess Kali with the sword in one hand and Cupid in another, even time flees in panic. सोहे अस्त्र और त्रिशूला, जाते उठत शत्रु हिय शूला. Beholding you well armed with a trident Trishul in your hand, the enemy's heart aches with the sting of fear. नगर कोटि में तुम ही विराजत, तीहू लोक में डंका बाजत. You also repose, rest in the form of Devi at Nagar Court in Kangra. It's a city. Thus all the three realms shudder in the mighty of your glory. शुंभ निशुंभ दानव तुम मारे, रक्त बीज शंकर संहारे. You slide the demons like Shumb and Nishumb and massacred 1,000 forms of the dreaded demon Raktabija. Wherever the blood of Raktabija dropped, 100 Raktabija demons took rebirth. महिषासुर नृपाभिमानी, जही अघ भार मही अकुलानी. When the earth was severely distressed, bearing the load of the sins of the arrogant Mahishasur, रूप कराल काली को धारा, काली का धारा, सेन सहित तुम तीही संहारा. You assumed the dreadful form of goddess Kali and massacred him along with his army. पड़ी गाढ़ संतन पर जब जब भई सहाय, मातु तुम तब तब. Thus, whenever the noble saints were distressed, it was you, Mother, who came to their rescue. अमरपुरी और बासु सब लोका, तब महिमा सब रहे अशोका. All the realms, including the Amarpuri, the divine realm, remains sorrowless and happy by your grace, O goddess Mata Rani. ज्वाला में है ज्योति तुम्हारी, तुम्हें सदा पूजे नर नारी. It is the symbol of your glory that is burning brightly at Sri Jwalaji temple. All men and women ever worship you, O Mother, Mata Shakti. प्रेम भक्ति से जो जस गावे, दुख दलिदर निकट नहीं आवे. He who sings your glory with devotion of love and sincerity remains beyond the reach of grief and poverty. ध्यावे तुम्हें जो नर मन लाई, जन्म मरण ताको छूट जाई. He who meditates upon your form with concentration goes beyond the circle of births and deaths. योगी सुर मुनि करत पुकारी, योग न हो बिन शक्ति तुम्हारी. All the yogis, sages, gods and sages only declared that without your favor one cannot establish communication with God. शंकर आचरज तप कीनो, काम और क्रोध जीती सब लीनो. Shankaracharya had performed once a special penance called Acharya Raj, and by the virtue of which he had subdued his anger and desire. निशिदिन ध्यान धरो शंकर को, काहू काल नहीं सुमरो तुमको. He always worshipped Lord Shankar Bhagwan and never for a moment concentrated his mind on you, Divine Mother. शक्ति रूप को मरम न पायो, शक्ति गई तब मन पछतायो. Since he did not realize your immense glory, his all powers waned and repented, he thought. So he lost his all powers because he did not worship Mother Divine. शरणागत हुई कीर्ति बखानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी. Then he sought refuge in you, Mata Rani, chanted your glory and sang victory, victory, victory to thee, O Jagdamba Bhavani. Bhai Prasanadi Jagdamba, Dai Shakti nahi keen vilamba. Then, O primal goddess Jagdamba ji, you were propitiated and in no time you bestowed him with his lost powers. Moko matu kashtati घेरो, तुम बिन कौन हरे दुख मेरो. O Mother Divine, Mata Shakti, severe affliction distress me, and no one except your honored self can provide relief. Asha Trishna निपत सतावे, रिपु मूर्ख मोहे डर पावे. Please end my afflictions, hopes and longings ever torture me. All sort of passions and lust torment my birth ever. शत्रु नाश कीजे महारानी, सुमिरो इच्छित तुम्हें भवानी. O Goddess Mata Rani Bhavani Ji, I meditate only upon you. Please kill my enemies, or means please take care of my enemies. O Queen Mata Rani, merciful Mother Jagdamba, करो कृपा हे मातु दयाला, रिद्धि सिद्धि दे करहु निहाला. Show me your favor and make me feel happy by bestowing me with all sorts of riches and power. जब लगी जियाऊं दया फल पाऊं, तुम्हारो जस मैं सदा सुनाऊं. O Mother Jagdamba Mata, may I be acceptable to your grace as long as I live, ever recounting the feats of your glory to all. दुर्गा चालीसा जो नित गावे, सब सुख भोग परम पद पावे. This way, he who always sings this Durga Chalisa, glory of Divine Mother Mata Shakti, shall ever always enjoy all sorts of pleasures and shall attain the highest states at the end of the life. Devi Das Sharan Nij Jani, Karhu Kripa Jagdamba Bhavani. Everyone sing your praise. So Mata Rani, please grant me your blessings. जयकारा शेरा वाली दा, जय माता दी, बोल साचे दरबार की जय.